Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an admin account and an external drive with enough space. This prevents permission errors. Once connected, note the drive letter so you can target it precisely. Now open Start, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click Backup. You are choosing the Windows 10 built-in tools because they are reliable and quick to set up. Next, select Add a Drive to begin selecting where your files will be stored. Make sure the destination is stable. Once file history is turned on, select the connected external or a mapped network drive so Windows can write periodic snapshots. Then click More Options to exclude folders you don't want. This saves space, and set a backup frequency and retention period that fit your needs. For example, hourly backups for active work. After configuration, test it. Save a small file to a covered folder, wait for the snapshot. Then use Restore Files from a current backup to confirm access. This proves the setup works. Next, create a system image for full recovery. Open Control Panel, choose Backup and Restore Windows 7, and select Create a System Image on the same or another external drive. This captures the OS and programs so you can restore after a drive failure. Once the image finishes, create a recovery drive if prompted. Make sure to label drives and store them safely. If something goes wrong, check drive format, NTFS permissions, and available space first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.